Imagine a machine that can write stories, create stunning images, compose music, and even generate code all without human intervention. This isn't just a futuristic dream, it's the reality of generative AI. These advanced systems are changing the way we approach creativity and productivity. From entertainment to business, generative AI is making waves by automating tasks that once required human imagination. As we step into this new era, understanding how these machines work and what they can do is essential. Let's explore what makes generative AI so revolutionary and how it's shaping our world. Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can create new content, such as text, images, audio, and video. Unlike traditional AI, which focuses on analyzing and interpreting existing data, generative AI goes a step further by producing something entirely new. These systems are trained on massive datasets, learning the underlying patterns and structures. Once trained, they can generate original works that mimic human creativity. Whether it's writing a poem, designing a logo, or composing a song, generative AI is capable of producing content that surprises and delights. This ability to generate new material is what sets it apart from other forms of AI. Secret behind generative AI lies in advanced models like neural networks and transformers. These models are designed to learn patterns from enormous amounts of data. By analyzing text, images, or audio, they understand how humans create and communicate. Once trained, they use this knowledge to generate new outputs, whether it's a story, a picture, or a melody. The process involves predicting what comes next based on what they've learned, allowing them to produce content that feels authentic and original. This technology is constantly evolving, making generative AI smarter and more creative with each new development. Generative AI is already making a difference in various industries. In content creation, it helps writers, artists, and musicians produce new works quickly. Healthcare professionals use it to analyze medical data and generate reports. Educators rely on it for personalized learning materials, while game developers use it to design immersive worlds and characters. In software development, generative AI automates coding and testing, speeding up innovation. Its versatility means it can handle creative and complex tasks, freeing up humans to focus on strategy and big ideas. As adoption grows, its impact will only deepen. Generative AI offers many advantages. It saves time, boosts creativity, and enhances productivity. Businesses use it for marketing, automation, and driving innovation. However, there are challenges to consider. Data privacy, bias, and misuse, such as deepfakes, are real concerns. Ethical development and responsible use are crucial to ensure generative AI benefits society. As we embrace these technologies, it's important to stay informed about both their potential and their risks. Balancing innovation with responsibility will shape the future of generative AI. Generative AI is transforming the future of technology. As these systems become more sophisticated, their influence will spread across every aspect of our lives. Understanding how generative AI works and its implications is key to staying ahead. By learning about its strengths and challenges today, you'll be better prepared for tomorrow's innovations. The journey of generative AI is just beginning, and its potential is limitless. Stay curious and keep exploring this exciting frontier.